Everyone, let's learn about the DAX. If you work with Power BI, Excel, or analysis services, there is one skill set can take your reports from basic to brilliant. It's called DAX. But what exactly is it? And why do people say it can make or break your dashboards? Let's find out. DAX stands for Data Analysis Expressions. It's a formal language used in Power BI, Excel Power Pivot, and SQL Server analysis services, especially in tabular models. Now, it's not programming languages like Python or JavaScript. Think of it more like Excel formulas, but designed to work with entire data sets and models, not just one cell at a time. In short, DAX is a brain behind your visuals. It calculates, filters, and shapes your data so you can tell the right story. So, why the DAX matters? First thing is advanced calculations. Go beyond simple sums and averages. With DAX, you can do year to date sales, customer retention rates, rolling 12 months averages, and many more. Next is dynamic context awareness. Your calculations change instantly when you apply slicers, filters, or user selections. Performance optimizations. Smart DAX means faster reports. Okay? Then unlock insights. It lets you build KPIs, comparisons, and trends that static reports just can't show. See, like without DAX, Power BI is like a sports car without fuel. Okay, it is nice to look at, but it's not going anywhere else fast, right? So that is the example that I can give for this one. Let's look at some common DAX functions here. You can look total sales is there, sales YTD, which means that it will show the sales from starting of the year till date, then high value customers. If you're just starting out, here's the part I recommend. Begin with basic functions like sum, count, averages. Learn the difference between row context and filter context. Practice on small data sets so you can test and see the results quickly. And yes, Microsoft's official DAX guide is a great free resource. DAX is like what turns your data into decisions. In the next video, I will walk you through your first DAX measure step by step. Hit subscribe and let's power up your Power BI skills.